Hello, the purpose of this video is to teach you how to do the first quest in Slooh. You should have received an invitation to Slooh in your school email, and you should log into that and then search for a quest called How Big. Your first quest in Slooh starts with step 1, regain some perspective. In this step, you will read over some information to help you get started in the assignment and answer the 2 questions at the bottom. The formatting of the questions tends to be a little picky, and so for the second question, you should type in 9.5 trillion km, and that should be accepted as a correct response. Then go to step 2. Step 2 is called the scale of the solar system, and you'll begin converting units here. What they have you do is convert units in this quest to, in the first part at least, compared to the Earth's diameter. And so in order to convert to Earth diameters, you will use this conversion formula, where you take, to find the diameter of any object in Earths, you will take the diameter of the object in kilometers divided by the diameter of the Earth in kilometers. So for the first one, you will take, and this is found in the reading in the chart, 1,391,016 kilometers is the diameter of the sun divided by 12,756 kilometers, and that should give you the diameter of the sun in Earths. In step 2, you'll be doing something similar, but now you're sizing up the Milky Way galaxy. So it begins with reading, answering questions, and then in this one, you will need to set up a mission to capture an image of a nebula. You can select a nebula that's visible this time of year from the chart in this step. And then you'll compare and calculate the diameter of the nebula in solar systems. In order to do that, you'll need to take the diameter of the object of the nebula in light years divided by the diameter of the solar system. And in this step, we are saying that the solar system is 3 light years across. So for an example, I did the Eagle Nebula. To find the diameter of the Eagle Nebula in solar systems, I took the diameter of the Eagle Nebula in light years, 70, divided by 3 light years for the solar system. This will give us 23.33 solar system diameters. You should write this down in 2 decimal places. And again, the format is a little picky. The format, whatever number you get to 2 decimal places, solar system diameters. So go ahead and do the same thing for questions 1 through 8 here. You'll be calculating the diameter of different nebulae in solar system diameters. Okay. The next step, step 4. Again, you'll be doing something similar. You'll be finding dimensions of larger objects. In this step, you'll be finding the size of galaxies compared to the Milky Way galaxy. So start off by reading and answering questions. You'll need to schedule a mission to image a galaxy, and then calculate the size of this galaxy relative to the Milky Way. So in this one, you'll use the equation, the diameter in light years of the galaxy that you are comparing, divided by the diameter of the Milky Way, which is 100,000 light years. So for the Andromeda galaxy, it's 220,000 light years across. You would take 220,000 light years divided by 100,000 light years of the Milky Way. That'll give you 2.2 Milky Way diameters. And so the format, again, is picky. For this one, format the answer that you get, and then Milky Way diameters are the units. So go ahead and calculate the other galaxies that are in that step. Brings us to step 5, the 3 domains of space infographic. This will put together a poster from all of your images, answer the questions 1 through 8, and finally the last 3 questions at the bottom. Step 6 asks you if you're ready to claim your badge. If you are, then you go ahead and click yes that you are at the bottom, and you're done. This will be due this coming Friday. So what do I check for this? You're going to upload your quest report, and I'll certainly go through that in class. All right, hopefully this helps you with the first quest. Let me know if you have any questions.